Hi everyone, welcome to Geek New Zealand. Today we will unbox and review LINNER's NC90, which is an over-ear sealed wireless Bluetooth noise cancelling headphones. So let's get into it. The earbud cushions are memory foam for the best comfort. They generous amount of fox leather padding around the headband, creating a soft fit. You almost forget you have them on. Some of the top features are it has adjustable noise cancelling with 3 levels of noise reduction: high, medium and off. Playback time is 19 hours with active noise cancelling turned on. If you turn off the noise cancelling, you can get up to 34 hours of playback time in Bluetooth mode. NC90 also supports it has a 3.5mm audio jack, so you can plug it to your phone, computer for a wired experience. LINNER NC90 promises to capture the clearest sound with high-res support in wireless mode. NC90 supports Bluetooth version 4.1. I wish they supported at least 4.2, if not version 5. But Bluetooth version 4.1 is also very stable. One of the best features is supports touch control on the right ear cup. Just double tap on the panel to play or pause. And if you place your hand, it will activate monitor function. The monitor mode is where it lowers the volume and allows you to talk to someone without removing your headphone. Great feature. I've used them over a week now for indoors, outdoors, while vacuuming, lawn mowing in different conditions, and I can say noise cancelling is really good, powerful, and the headphones are very comfortable to wear. Like always, I will post all the details about the product in the description of the video, so please do check it out. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe my channel and keep sending me your review requests, and I will try my best to do them. Thank you.